Hello, today I would like to demonstrate a LiPo battery that got discharged below acceptable level, which is 3 volts. And each cell in this battery has different voltage now. It was discharged unevenly. So I have here a voltmeter and a voltage alarm for LiPo batteries, which is letting us know how much voltage each cell has, and if it goes below the level it beeps to let us know that something is wrong with the battery. Now the alarm is off. If we push this button we see that it's in off position, and it shows us voltage per each cell and a total voltage. For example, all would be 8 volts, but first cell is 1.36, second is 2.9, and the third one is 3.77 volts. So it's unevenly discharged, and the first cell is discharged well below the acceptable level. As you can see, it's 1.34 volts. So this battery in theory cannot be recovered. And if we, for example, turn on the alarm, which should be set to 3 volts, then it will beep, which means that one of the cells went below the acceptable limit. These alarms are used to keep your batteries safe, and I, in one situation, forgot to put this alarm on my battery and it got discharged badly. So let's see what happens if I try to charge this battery. I have here a balance charger, and we'll try to plug this battery in to this charger and see what happens. So we have a 11.1 volt battery and we have 3 cells in it. So we need to choose the balance charger because the charger needs to monitor the voltage in each cell. So we'll plug into this cable as well here. Now both cables are plugged into the charger, and let's choose the correct mode, which is a LiPo balance mode, and let's choose the correct voltage of the battery, which is 11.1, and now let's start charging. Confirm. Now let's see what it shows to us. It shows all the data, and as you can see it says battery voltage error. It doesn't allow us to charge the battery because it is unevenly discharged, which will cause a risk, a safety risk, if we continue to charge it. So this balance charger is intelligent enough to not to continue with charging this battery. Let's stop it. Let's try again. Let's confirm and see. You see the different voltage per cell, first cell, second and third cell, and the charger detects the problem. Stop. So we cannot do anything with a unevenly discharged battery, and the only thing is to dispose it. In this case we need to discharge this battery to the lowest level. Let's try that, because one of the cells is still charged fully, and we'll see if we can do anything about that. Let's go to the discharge mode, choose the correct voltage, and let's start. And it started discharging the battery, and it says it cannot continue because one of the cells has already been discharged, because the lowest level it can discharge the battery to is 3 volts, and 2 of them are already below this voltage. And let's try another thing. Remove this cable that allows the charger to monitor each cell and try to charge it without it. What will happen? Lipo charge mode, the regular mode, without monitoring each cell's voltage. Choosing the correct battery. And starting the charging. Confirming. Doesn't show any voltage per cell. It's doing something, and which would be a dangerous thing to do, because now it's not monitoring each cell, because the third cell is actually at the top voltage now. So I will stop this process because it won't be a good thing to do and would not be a safe thing to do. So just to keep in mind, the LiPo battery should always be, in my opinion, charged using the balanced charge mode, so that each cell is being monitored by the charger and won't let you do some risky things with it.